Boston murder suspect gets his bond reduced for a second time. This to start your 6 o'clock newscast. Thanks for joining us. I'm Jennifer Sanders.
And I'm Daniel Muddy. Police arrested 19-year-old Stephon Morson in October for the death of 20-year-old Keyshawn Cage. KXAN's Brianna Hollis joins us live from the courthouse to break down the ongoing saga related to this case. Bree.
So bear with us. There's a lot to unpack here, and there's been this whole back and forth over the last 2 months or so. Morson has gotten released from jail twice now. One time because a judge lowered his bond from $800,000 all the way down to $100, and that happened because prosecutors missed an important court deadline. Fast forward to today, we're entering a similar cycle, and these court proceedings are clearly continuing to really take a toll on the victim's family. We're about to show you some emotional footage from outside the courtroom this afternoon.
Your son murdered my son for nothing because he wanted the law to protect him.
Here's a breakdown of the timeline of this case. Morson allegedly shot and killed Cage in October of last year. Now, after an arrest, the DA's office has to secure an indictment within 90 days. When that doesn't happen, the law requires a judge to reduce a defendant's bond to something they can afford. Well, the state missed this deadline, which is why Morson got that $100 bond and got out of jail. In February, the state requested a follow-up hearing where prosecutors asked the judge to re-up Morson's bond. The judge ultimately sided with the state and did so, placing Morson back in custody on a $100,000 bond, meaning Morson would have to pay 10% of that, or $10,000, to get out. Well, Morson eventually did that, and the very next day, prosecutors filed a different charge related to the homicide, which placed Morson back in prison once again. His attorney claimed this was an example of vindictive prosecution and filed a motion to dismiss that charge entirely. While the judge did call the timing of the DA's office with this, quote, suspicious, she ultimately ruled this wasn't vindictive. However, she says this new indictment, just like the original murder indictment, still falls outside of the 90-day deadline, so she was once again required to reduce Morson's bond, this time to $30,000.
What she said is very poignant to this administration. She finds their conduct very suspicious. And you just have to look at the filings objectively to see that their conduct is not only suspicious, but it is vindictive.
It's ridiculous. This boy should not have been let out. He should not be let out. He should have never got out in the first place. He killed our brother.
Morson would now have to pay $3,000 to get out of jail again. The state has already requested a following hearing to re-up the bond again, and that is set for April 17th. Jen, Daniel.